Aloe vera. The very name conjures up images of soothing sunburn relief. But did you know that this humble plant has a history that stretches back thousands of years? It's not just a modern-day remedy, it's a botanical marvel that has been cherished by civilizations across the globe. From ancient Egypt to the far reaches of India, aloe vera has been a staple in traditional medicine and beauty routines. Let's take a journey through time and explore the fascinating history of this incredible plant. But this humble plant is more than just a sunburn savior. It's a historical heavyweight, with a past as rich and vibrant as its green leaves. Imagine walking through an ancient Egyptian garden, where aloe vera was considered a sacred plant. The Egyptians were among the first to document its healing properties, and they used it extensively in their daily lives. They believed it had the power to heal wounds, treat infections, and even prolong life. It's a historical heavyweight with a past as rich and vibrant as its green leaves. The ancient Egyptians were huge fans of aloe vera, calling it the plant of immortality. They weren't just using it for medicinal purposes, they also incorporated it into their beauty regimens. Cleopatra, one of the most famous figures in history, is said to have used aloe vera to maintain her legendary beauty. The plant's soothing and moisturizing properties made it a favorite among the Egyptian elite. The ancient Egyptians were huge fans of aloe vera, calling it the plant of immortality. And they weren't kidding. They used it for everything from healing wounds to beautifying their skin. The plant was so highly regarded that it was often included in burial rituals to help the deceased in their journey to the afterlife. Hieroglyphs in ancient texts reveal that aloe vera was a common ingredient in embalming fluids, believed to preserve the body and soul. And they weren't kidding. They used it for everything from healing wounds to beautifying their skin. The Greeks and Romans also recognized the plant's potential. Greek physicians like Dioscorides and Pliny the Elder wrote extensively about its benefits. They used it to treat a variety of ailments, from skin conditions to digestive issues. The plant's reputation as a powerful healer spread throughout the ancient world, making it a valuable commodity in trade. Word has it that even Cleopatra herself used aloe vera as part of her beauty routine. But the story doesn't end there. As trade routes expanded, so did the knowledge and use of aloe vera. The plant found its way to India, where it became an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine. Known as kumari in Sanskrit, aloe vera was used to balance the body's doshas and promote overall health. Its cooling properties made it an ideal remedy for the hot and humid climate of the Indian subcontinent. But the Egyptians weren't the only ones who loved aloe vera. Cultures all over the world, from the Greeks to the Indians, have been using this plant for centuries. In China, aloe vera was known as the harmonious remedy and was used to treat a variety of conditions, from skin irritations to digestive problems. The plant's versatility and effectiveness made it a staple in traditional Chinese medicine. Cultures all over the world, from the Greeks to the Indians, have been using this plant for centuries. And for good reason. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. It's no wonder that this plant has stood the test of time. From ancient scrolls to modern-day research, the evidence of aloe vera's benefits is overwhelming. It's a testament to the plant's enduring legacy and its ability to adapt to the needs of different cultures and eras. And for good reason. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. Modern science has confirmed what ancient civilizations knew all along. The gel inside the aloe vera leaf contains compounds that can reduce inflammation, speed up wound healing, and even boost the immune system. It's used in a variety of products, from skincare to dietary supplements, proving that this ancient remedy is still relevant today. It's no wonder this plant has earned legendary status throughout history. From the tombs of pharaohs to the shelves of modern pharmacies, aloe vera has been a constant presence. Its journey through time is a testament to its incredible versatility and enduring appeal. So the next time you apply aloe vera gel to a sunburn or sip on aloe vera juice, remember that you're partaking in a tradition that spans millennia. Truly, aloe vera is a blast from the past that continues to benefit us in the present. Aloe vera belongs to a large and diverse family of succulent plants. These plants are known for their ability to store water in their thick, fleshy leaves, stems, or roots, which allows them to survive in arid conditions. Succulents come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Aloe vera, in particular, has been cherished for centuries, not only for its beauty, but also for its numerous health benefits. There are over 500 different types of aloe plants out there. Each species has its own unique characteristics, from the size and shape of the leaves to the color and texture of the gel inside. Some aloes are small and compact, perfect for a windowsill garden, while others can grow quite large and make a striking statement in a landscape. The diversity within the aloe family is truly remarkable, and there's an aloe plant to suit every gardener's taste and needs. But don't worry, you don't need to become a botanist to appreciate the wonders of aloe vera. This plant is incredibly easy to care for, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Aloe vera thrives in well-draining soil and requires minimal watering, making it a low-maintenance addition to any garden. Plus, its striking appearance and soothing gel make it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. The most common type of aloe vera, the one you'll find in most homes and gardens, is called Aloe barbadensis Miller. This variety is easily recognizable by its long, thick leaves that are filled with a clear gel-like substance. Aloe barbadensis Miller is prized for its medicinal properties and is often used in skincare products, health supplements, and even beverages. Its gel is known for its soothing and healing properties, making it a popular remedy for burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. This variety is known for its long, thick leaves filled with a clear, gel-like substance. The gel inside the leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerful natural remedy. Many people keep an aloe vera plant in their kitchen or bathroom for easy access to its healing gel. Simply cut a leaf, squeeze out the gel, and apply it directly to the skin for instant relief from burns, insect bites, and other minor injuries. But did you know that some aloe vera plants even produce flowers? These flowers are a beautiful addition to any garden and can add a pop of color to your landscape. Aloe vera flowers typically bloom in the summertime and come in shades of yellow, orange, and red. The flowers grow on tall stalks that rise above the plant's rosette of leaves, creating a striking visual contrast. That's right, this plant isn't just practical, it's pretty too. The flowers of the aloe vera plant attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds, making it a great addition to a pollinator-friendly garden. Plus, the sight of these vibrant flowers can bring joy and beauty to any outdoor space. Whether you're growing aloe vera for its medicinal properties or simply for its aesthetic appeal, this plant is sure to impress. These flowers usually bloom in the summertime and come in shades of yellow, orange, and red. The blooming period can last several weeks, providing a long-lasting display of color in your garden. To encourage flowering, make sure your aloe vera plant gets plenty of sunlight and is planted in well-draining soil. With the right care, you can enjoy the beauty of aloe vera flowers year after year. So, the next time you see an aloe vera plant, take a closer look. You might be surprised by the variety and beauty of this amazing plant. From its healing gel to its vibrant flowers, aloe vera has so much to offer. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider adding an aloe vera plant to your collection. It's a versatile and rewarding plant that can bring both beauty and health benefits to your home. You might be surprised by the variety and beauty of this amazing plant. Aloe vera is more than just a houseplant. It's a symbol of resilience and natural beauty. Its ability to thrive in harsh conditions and its numerous uses make it a valuable addition to any garden. So, the next time you're looking for a new plant to add to your collection, consider the humble yet extraordinary aloe vera. You won't be disappointed. Ready to channel your inner gardener? Good news! Growing aloe vera is surprisingly simple. It's the perfect plant for beginners or those of us who occasionally forget to water our plants. Oops! Aloe vera thrives in warm, sunny environments. Think desert vibes. So if you live in a place with plenty of sunshine, you're in luck. If not, don't worry. Aloe vera can still thrive indoors with enough light. When it comes to watering, less is more. Aloe vera is a succulent, meaning it stores water in its leaves. That means you only need to water it when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is a surefire way to make your aloe vera unhappy. Trust me, a thirsty aloe is a happy aloe. Aloe vera is like the Swiss Army knife of the plant world. This remarkable plant has been cherished for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its incredible versatility. Originating from the arid regions of the Arabian Peninsula, aloe vera has found its way into homes and gardens across the globe. Its thick, fleshy leaves are packed with a gel-like substance that is nothing short of miraculous. It's incredibly versatile, with a wide range of uses that will have you saying, "Aloe you vera much." From skincare to hair care, and even health drinks, aloe vera has carved a niche for itself in various domains. Its adaptability and effectiveness make it a staple in many households. Let's start with its most well-known benefit, soothing burns. The cooling sensation of aloe vera gel is almost instantaneous, providing much-needed relief from the discomfort of burns. This is due to its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce redness and swelling. Whether it's a sunburn from a day at the beach or a minor kitchen burn, aloe vera gel can provide instant relief. The gel forms a protective layer over the affected area, allowing it to heal faster. It's no wonder that aloe vera is a common ingredient in many after-sun products. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, and helps to cool and soothe the skin. But wait, there's more. Aloe vera is not just for burns. Its hydrating properties make it an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. The gel penetrates deep into the skin, providing hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Aloe vera is also a skincare superstar. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and moisturizing agents that can help keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Vitamins A, C, and E, which are abundant in aloe vera, help to nourish the skin and promote a healthy glow. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and moisturizing agents that can help keep your skin looking and feeling its best. The antioxidants in aloe vera help to combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage. Regular use of aloe vera can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You'll find aloe vera in everything from lotions and creams to face masks and serums. Its versatility in skincare is unmatched. Whether you're dealing with acne, dry skin, or signs of aging, there's an aloe vera product out there for you. And the benefits don't stop there. Aloe vera is also a fantastic ingredient for hair care. Its moisturizing properties help to keep the scalp hydrated, reducing dandruff and itchiness. Aloe vera is also used in hair care products to promote hair growth and soothe an itchy scalp. The enzymes in aloe vera help to remove dead skin cells from the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. And if that wasn't enough, aloe vera juice is a popular health drink known for its digestive benefits. Drinking aloe vera juice can help to soothe the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of acid reflux and irritable bowel syndrome. It's also known to boost the immune system thanks to its high content of vitamins and minerals. In conclusion, aloe vera is truly the ultimate multitasker. From soothing burns and hydrating skin to promoting hair growth and aiding digestion, this plant does it all. It's no wonder that aloe vera has been used for centuries and continues to be a popular choice in natural health and beauty products. So the next time you see an aloe vera plant, remember all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Aloe vera much indeed. While aloe vera is generally safe for most people to use, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some people may be allergic to aloe vera, so it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying it to a large area of skin. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the inside of your forearm and wait 24 hours to see if any redness or irritation occurs. Also, while aloe vera juice can have digestive benefits, it's important to drink it in moderation. Too much aloe vera juice can cause diarrhea or stomach cramps. Finally, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to talk to your doctor before using aloe vera products.